What's up, everybody? This is Nick with a Uncut coming at you with a Topps Hobby Plus Jumbo. Pick your team break. People were able to pick their teams for certain prices. They were paid by team. Here is what everybody got. Looney got the Dodgers and the Braves. Reed got the Diamondbacks. I hope I say this right. Duong got the Cardinals. Ryan, this is the last name Ryan. Brewers, Giants, Indians, A's, Blue Jays, Elite, Rays, Mariners, Pirates, Yankees, Carlton, Tigers, Rice, Rangers, Chambers, Twins, Ruganis, Angels, Henderson, Orioles, and Mets, Marks, the Reds, Sadler, the Cubs, and Farrell, the Royals, with cheese. Good luck, everybody. Let me get the chat where I can read it if somebody hops into wrong mouse. Somebody runs into Facebook, I could see it. These cards are very nice. I've watched a couple boxes open in the store today. Nothing crazy hit that I saw, but a lot of the boxes left the store. So I don't know what a lot of stuff is. Silver packs will open last, because sometimes we get a surprise. There is the box. With Hobby, we're going to rip open the packs and we'll do stacks of them. It just makes it easier to go through so you guys don't have to wait for each individual pack to be opened. Jumbo will go pack by pack. Just makes more sense. In these, you should get a full team set or pretty close to it for your team if it's PC. Trying to think of anything else. Every card ships. That's why, we had to count $5 in shipping for some of the teams that had larger checklists. Some had smaller ones. They were a little cheaper on the cheaper end. Depends on the number of players, yada yada yada. Is anybody in this room interested in breaking PBA, like Pro Bowlers Association, hobby boxes? It would be $18 a spot for 2 hobby boxes. 8 or 6 autographs guaranteed. Likely would be 8 autographs plus numbered base cards. If you guys, if that's something you're interested in, let me know. We just got it in. We got a couple cases of it. It's fun stuff. And there's some valuable cards in there. Like there's soccer players. Mookie Betts is an autograph in there. Hope Solo for when they do the charity things, the charity PBA charity events. Of course, Pete Weber, Jason Belmonte, a bunch of other guys. Ryan Patroop, I think his name is. Guy with like long afro hair. Forget his name. I think it's Patroop. Bunch of got all the top guys plus a bunch of Hall of Famers. So if it's something that you're interested in, let me know. We'll probably put the break up tomorrow. And go from there. But here we go, guys. So we're getting something right off the bat. These are a nice design. I'm going to go through slowly and show all the cards from Hobby. I'll call out the big rookies and get them sleeved up. And if I see any of the short prints, we'll sleeve them up as well. I am far from, and just moving houses shows that. We got Griffey inserts. That's, I forgot. Griffey had that insert set. The Mariners are a sneaky steal. Sneaky. Cody Senga. This card will go to the Marlins. Player on the left. And if we get a second one, it will go to the player in the middle. If we get a third one, there we go. First insert, Bo Naylor, Future Stars. See the rainbow on the top? Yoshida from the Red Sox. This is probably the best Topps design I've seen in a very long time. Paul Sewald. Rafaela from the Red Sox. Luciano from the Gigantes. Still haven't hit anything numbered yet. The back is all gold. Oh, there's our auto, I believe, or relic, whatever it's going to be. We'll put that to the back of this pile. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go, Ellie Auto. Michael Trout. Luis Arraez. Oh, Bill Ryan, I got a card here that was left behind. This will go to Matt Olson, and again, if we get a second card, it'll go to Phillies and then the Mets. Don Mattingly, 89, 35th anniversary. Oh, I forgot 89 is the 35th this year. It's one of my favorite sets. Mr. India. Verdugo, and is it a hit? Andres Jimenez. It might be. Oh, it's a rainbow foil for the Indians. Regular rainbow. And our hit is on the top right here. Oh, these are not. These are. I thought they were inserts. They are not. Must be gold. We got an insert of Bryce Harper. Haven't seen any of the top rookies yet, which is surprising. David Hamilton. Our first home run challenge card is Luis Robert for the Chicago White Sox. Very nice. Come on, where are the big rookies? There's Acuna. This design, you can't really see it on camera, but this is kind of like foil right here. It's pretty cool. And our first and only hit out of hobby, Joey Votto bat for the Reds. For the Reds, going to Sam. Which, Sam, I found out what was wrong with the code. I didn't have the break listed in the group page. For some reason, I went to a different page. So that is why your code didn't work. Christopher Morel, back-to-back. All right. Samuel Taylor. Trying to get it so the glare doesn't show. Where's the big rookies? Corbin Carroll. Cup. Sal Frelick, rookie for the Brewers. Brewers were a sneaky team, too. Greg Maddux, New York Power for the Yankees. Cardinals, Jose Ramirez. That will go to the Angels. If we get a second one, it will go to, you know the drill by now. Yankees will get this card. Second one goes to Indians and or Twins. Third one will go to Orioles. All right. Wish we held off until we got Ichiro in 89. until we got the hit towards the end of the box, because now it's just going to be base. Unless we get something. Celebration of the Kid. Oh, we got a backwards card. It's going to be a rainbow foil of Connor Joe for the Pirates. The Pirates. So, there we go. Here's one. Ronnie Mauricio for the Mets. Another backwards card is numbered to 499 for the Tampa Bay Rays, Tyler Glasnow. All right, Andrew Vaughn, Alec Baum. Hello, Vientos, not a rookie. That'll go to the Braves, Matt Olson. Again, we'll probably get doubles because usually in that you get a full set for the most part. Curtis Mead, that is a decent rookie as well. Hassan Dominguez for the Yankees. There we go. There's one of the big ones. Now we just need that Ellie guy. That'll go to the Padres. And you guys will get a decent amount of cards with these, almost every team. Astros. Topps is one of the best values for break-wise. Matt McLean, I think he's actually better than Ellie, but his rookie was last year. So, just personal opinion. Nobody get rough with me. Do the silver packs at the end, because sometimes they provide the value. And Jumbo has 2. There you go. All right, we'll go pack by pack on these. The good stuff is near the middle. We will kind of go through them like we have been. To get to the good stuff, but I want to show every card just so you kind of know what you're getting. We've got the Reds. I'm not sure why that was backwards. A gold Patrick Corbin for the Nationals. Grand Gamers Tom Seaver. Barry Larkin 1989. Now please give us that Alley rookie or something. Colton Cowser for the Orioles. There's another big one. I forgot about him, too. I forgot about Hunter Hurstad being in this. There is a bunch. Is that Corbin Carroll? Yeah. Or Gabriel Moreno for the Diamondbacks. Moreno, Carroll, all the same. So games start in 2 weeks, preseason games. If you haven't checked, if you guys are into like investing in cards, check and see who got invited that has not been on the team before. Curtis Mead. If you haven't heard, Jackson Holliday, I believe, got invited to spring training because Topps was talking about that in our call yesterday. Samad Taylor, Rainbow. Insert of Fernando Tatis Jr., Corey Seager. If he gets called up before May, I believe they said, he will be in Series 2. If he gets called up after May, he'll be in Update or other products. That is the plan with Jackson Holliday. Some insider news. And it's all relative because, I mean, they held Ellie back. Cubs not. I haven't seen a Pete Crow Armstrong yet. That's for sure. I haven't seen Pete or Ellie. Joe Jocks. And for the White Sox, our auto is Jose Rodriguez. It's a rookie. They didn't even put that in backwards or anything. Just kind of, bam, it's there. We only got one numbered card in the hobby, so hopefully this turns around. We got a gold Evan Longoria, who I didn't even know was still playing. Ronald Acuna. Hasson Dominguez. We've got 2 Hassons and no Pico Armstrongs or Ellies. Ronnie Mauricio. Who the hell is Jose Rodriguez? He's actually pretty good. I mean, he's no... So we have one of these, so I do think we have one of those, so it would go to the middle team. Christopher Morel for the Cubbies. Corbin Carroll, Rookie Cup. All right, so we still have 2 hits left. Numbered where? Okay, I haven't seen. The only numbered was that one way back. Shohei Ohtani goes to the Angels. This is a Vlad Guerrero Jr. Rainbow. Matt Olson insert. Nolan Ryan. This one I know we had, so that would be going to the Phillies. Is Ali in this set? I mean, we're halfway through 2 boxes. Henry Davis, rookie for the Pirates. He was a pretty big prospect. I don't know if he did anything. Bottom right back corner? Okay. I believe... No, these are not gold. Oh, yeah, these are golds. I think. So the first yellow ones I've seen. I don't know. They've changed it up a little bit this year. I like it because it was getting kind of old. But they definitely have changed things. Glass now, Rainbow. Rod Carew. Peter Alonso. Garrett Cole. Vientos. Matt Olson. That I believe we had in the last box too. Jose Soriano. Yoshida. Rookie Cup. Pete Alonso. Rosarina. Amaya. Alright, this is where the Ellie drought comes. No Camaneros, yeah. Evan Carter. That's the first Evan Carter. And our home run challenge is Ronald Acuna Jr. going to the Braves. Gold, Nathan Eovaldi. Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Rhino for the Cubs. There you go, Dave. This reminds me a lot of our old UFC breaks where you don't do so well. Hadley. Jacob Amaya. That's 2 of him in this box. Come on, Caminero. Ralpha. Alright. The 2 biggest rookies are arguably 2 of the 3 biggest rookies we haven't had. Domingos is probably number 2. Cody Senga. And our regular relic goes to the Padres. Manny Machado. Very nice. Davis Schneider for the Blue Jays. Gold. Ronald Acuna. Insert Tony Gwynn. Well, I mean, Ellie's in there technically. So, let's go. Let's pull the regular Ellie now. We've pulled 2 of this in this box. Fernando Tatis, Luciano. That's our second Luciano. Padres hot break. They were, I think, purchased last minute, too. Julio Rodriguez, Reds, Hunter Green. At least you hit Hunter. That came in at 109 miles an hour. Celebration for the Griffey. We got Zach Gallen, Rainbow. Christopher Morel, O'Neal Cruz. Marco Luciano, the second one of this box. Where are the 2 other big 3? They're not short prints, are they? A Guadino rookie. Green rookie auto. Oh, God. Unfortunately, me and you are the only ones laughing right now. I don't think a lot of these guys are around for UFC finest back in the day. Gatterall, Dodgers. Julio Rodriguez. Jordan Lawler for the Diamondbacks. There we go. 89 insert. Adolis Garcia. I forget, he was a rookie like years ago. Just happened to have a monster year. All right, I saw Reds. I got excited there for a second. All right, last pack. We got to get a Caminero and a Ellie Dela Cruz in one pack. Can we do it? In this final pack, I will say I like the design. There's a gold, first gold, Brad Keller, Ken Griffey Jr., Brady Singer, Rainbow, Bobby Witt Jr., Ohtani 89. But if Ellie and Caminero are short prints, which maybe it doesn't make sense. Jose Rodriguez, that's the first one I am. DeLuca, Oscar Colas, Andrew Abbott. Yeah, we got every rookie, some of them twice, but no Ellie. Or Caminero. And that's weird because jumbos usually get you pretty close to a set. And to be missing the top 2 rookies is kind of heartbreaking, to be honest. All right, so we got these 3 silver packs. Let's get an auto. Oh, yeah, Superfractor 101 bonus is $80 for this break. It'll be $85 for the next break if we don't hit a Superfractor out of these. Owen White, Bo Bichette, Justin Verlander, and Topps Ripped advertisement. Yeah, totally unbelievable. Jordan Westberg, Mike Trout, Hassan Dominguez in the 89s, Fernando Tatis Jr. And last silver pack. We don't have any color in these. Ichiro, Manny Machado, Brian Wu, and Cal Ripken Jr. So the people that have Caminero and Ellie, you could expect codes. Because, yeah, that wasn't cool. But let's do a quick hit recap. I just got to pull out the... I think that's Machado. Then we'll do this football break. Yeah, that's awful weird for jumbo. Usually you get the complete set for the most part. Okay, and here we go. Quick hit recap. We got Manny Machado for the Padres, Hunter Green for the Reds, Jose Rodriguez, and Joey Votto. I mean, you got 2 of the hits, Sam. I guess that's cool. But to not hit a Ellie and the whole thing is kind of a letdown, to be completely honest.